What are end-of-life legal alternatives? When most people think about end-of-life planning, they think of a will. A will is an important tool for designating how you want your belongings distributed after you are deceased. But a will is just one tool available to Texans looking to distribute their property after they die. Why should I consider end-of-life legal alternatives? Property distributed through a will must go through a legal process called probate. This requires the will being filed in a court after the person is deceased. A will is subject to being contested in probate, and the probate process can take several months and sometimes years. By using end-of-life legal alternatives, some property can be distributed outside of probate, meaning the beneficiaries can avoid the expense, delay, and effort of legal proceedings to obtain the property left to them by a deceased person. What are some end-of-life legal alternatives? The primary types of end-of-life legal alternatives are transfer on death deeds and transfer on death deeds for motor vehicles. These allow real property, like a home or a car, to be transferred without the need for probate. Another type of end-of-life legal alternatives are joint accounts or tenancies with right of survivorship. These are bank account elections that can be made to ensure funds from financial accounts are distributed without the need for probate. Life insurance is another type of end-of-life legal alternative. When beneficiaries are properly designated for life insurance policies, these funds can be issued without being probated. And finally, trusts. Trusts provide a mechanism to safeguard and distribute possessions and funds outside of the probate process. Can I use end-of-life planning alternatives and still have a will? Absolutely. Some people use exclusively alternatives, others exclusively use a will, and some use both. Your end-of-life planning needs to be tailored to your specific needs and wishes. This is just a brief overview of frequently asked questions about end-of-life alternatives. Lone Star Legal Aid may be able to offer you free assistance with end-of-life planning services through our medical legal partnership. Ask your clinic staff for an MLP referral form to see if you qualify for Lone Star Legal Aid's free legal services.